Parents who should educate young girls about puberty, the mother or the father? I have 3 girls, ages 8, 10, and 12. Their mother walked out on us for another man when our youngest was around 4. My ex still stays in contact and pays child support. A few weeks ago, while doing laundry, I saw red spots on my oldest underwear. I asked her if she knew about it. She cried and told me she tried to call her mom, but my ex didn't call back. She'd been stuffing toilet paper in her underwear, hoping that would work. I explained to her that periods are nothing to be ashamed of and found some great resources online for us to review together. I took her to the store to pick out brands of feminine products she may want to use. She picked Playtex Sport because she's a gymnast. After we were done, I decided I should do the same thing with my other 2 children. My 12-year-old volunteered to be part of preparing them and we made a whole night of it. It was wonderful and I learned a lot. I even learned what a menstrual cup is and how it benefits the environment. The other day my ex called back. It's been a habit of mine to arrange a video chat and leave the room so they can have some alone time. And when they're done chatting, I'll come back in to talk about boring co-parenting stuff like school bills, etc. This last time my ex was furious with me for talking about periods with the girls. She screamed at me saying that I was sick and perverted. Why didn't I call her myself if I knew it was so urgent? I could have called one of their grandmas or aunts, but my mom has dementia and her mom and sisters call me a loser because I teach kindergarten, so I'm not very fond of them. My ex told me I was being immature and should have just toughed it out for the girls. This really pissed me off, so I answered back that maybe if she wasn't such a deadbeat and answered her goddamn phone once in a while she could have handled this. I brought up everything she does that hurts them. She hasn't been to a single soccer game, piano recital, or gymnastics meet in 2 years. Every